Hello there. I wanted to show you how we launch and dry dock our little runabout. The wheels you see attached to the tongue of the trailer are actually the rear end of a ride-on lawnmower. I found them on the side of the road, and they make moving the boat in and out of its storage shed much easier. This is not a heavy load for the tractor, but anytime I'm operating on an incline with any amount of weight in the front, I make sure I'm in four-wheel drive. One of the big advantages of dry docking your boat is that you don't have to sand and paint the bottom with very expensive anti-foul paint each spring. Good now if you want to leave. Yeah, they'll take care of it.
Okay.
I'm going to show you a clip of the floating docks before we launch them. My thinking here was to put most of the flotation in the center. So as the boat is being pulled onto the dock, the end of the dock will tip down and act as a ramp and make it easier for the boat to slide onto the dock. This time, I'm using a drill-operated winch to pull the boat onto the dock, but I also have a hand-operated winch like you'd see on a boat trailer. The barrel holds 55 gallons of seawater and gives me about 490 pounds of counterweight. So once the boat is dry docked, I can level it out and none of the wooden components of the dock are left sitting in the water. I had some questions in my last video about how the floating docks are attached to the shore. We have a strong gangplank between the floating docks and the wharf, which is attached with hefty hardware. This allows the floating docks to rise up and down with the tides, which in our area is about 7 vertical feet of rise or fall in the water level. I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching, and take care.